Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers, cheap Joppatowne local and long-distance movers near me. The 3 Movers is a licensed and insured professional company. Our special protective packaging will keep your precious items safe and secure, regardless of the final destination, be it another state or country. If you plan to relocate to other safest areas like the north of the city in Joppatowne, consider working with us. We understand moving to a new location could be overwhelming, no matter how near or far you are moving. You have billions of things to do, along with packing and unpacking. We at the 3 Movers are known for our reliability and timely services. We offer various moving services, from packing your things to unpacking and setting them up in your new place. Our expert moving staff will complete the whole task in just a few hours, so that you can enjoy your new move as fast as possible. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Joppatowne moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.